And the girl in the corner with the scarlet letter. While you're watching, you may think that she doesn't matter, but no one knows you better.
Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. Okay, so I know I haven't been.
It's not a vlog.
Whatever. Welcome back to another video. Okay, welcome back to another video. And I know I haven't been posting in like forever. I just didn't really want to but whatever. So we have a special guest, Sydney, my best friend. Okay, so recently I found out that I'm getting a dog. So we're just doing a haul for you guys. We didn't get everything yet, but we're just doing most stuff. So we'll just be switching off of what I got. So, should I here's the setup.
Wait, we have to get out of the way and have this be the thumbnail.
So I'm gonna start with, so I guess you can just pick something. Okay, so the first thing I got was this, oh there we go, that's better.
Perfect.
So, it's like shampoo and conditioner to clean the dog. So yeah, we got this.
Next, Kenzie got, I'm just gonna go from, so next, it's just not in order, it's just.
Yeah, it's just.
So next, she got a leash so she can walk the dog with some bags in here and extra bags. So yeah, that's pretty cool.
And she's gonna help me walk my dog since she lives right next to me. So
and I also have a dog, so then we can walk them together.
Yeah, that'd be lit. Okay, so I got
Most
a
important
purple
thing.
Yeah. Yes. So I got a collar for, of course, can we get that? So it's like a collar. And if you didn't know, I'm getting a golden doodle. Look it up. It's really cute. Medium.
Next thing, this is again not in order because I'm just choosing random.
Yeah, we're just.
So she got a toy, a pull toy. It's a rope, 4 knots. So if you want to play tug of war,
Yeah.
it's like tug of war. I'll win. Yeah.
Ow.
So I play tug of war with my dog sometimes. It's pretty fun. It's intense sometimes.
Okay, I'm just gonna do the toys. Okay, so I got, this is actually a birthday present for my dog. But anyways, I got this really, like, it's a tug of war another thing, and it has like a squeaker in it. There. It's a, what is this? But yeah, it's really cute, and yeah.
Next thing she got, cute little fox.
It's gonna probably,
And so cute, and yeah. Pretty.
My Sienna actually picked that out. She's like, hey, we should do this. Okay, what am I gonna do? Yeah. So my cousin Maverick, he's only 4 years old. He picked this out for me. It's a little green chipmunk, which my dog will definitely enjoy. It never works. Wait, there. Oh, there.
There.
So this is it. It's like, yeah. So it's a little. That's loud. See, it's like a. Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
Next thing, a ball.
Of course.
Obviously a tennis ball. You need this for a dog.
Yes.
From Petco.
Also, you need a Kong, which go later in the video. Okay. Okay.
I just
Story
had
time.
some raw honeycomb.
It's
disgusting. It's so gross.
So we got this. What is this? Hedgehog. It's a little like camel hedgehog, like with fur and stuff, and it squeaks. It's really cute. So yeah, I got a lot of toys.
So next, it's a monkey with ropes inside of it, so like you can pull it.
Yeah, it's another.
And another pull toy. Let's not break it. And then looks like this, pretty cute.
Oh, and also, and all like the feet and the toys.
Oh, I didn't know that. That face though.
So, yeah.
Perfect.
Okay, and then the next thing. Okay, we got a Kong because of course, and it probably won't play with it the first few weeks because it's still like a puppy. When it gets older.
I don't even know what this thing is.
A Kong?
I don't know.
It's like they chew on it, like for teething and stuff too.
Don't you put like a treat inside that?
Yeah. And you can put a treat or like peanut butter, a lot of people do, to Kong. It's really popular for dogs.
Next thing she got, another essential, bowls, obviously.
I don't
So
really
yeah,
know.
essential.
They're
for
really
dog,
cute.
Obviously.
I love them. We got them at Walmart.
Okay, next.
Okay, so we got a frisbee because we want to teach our dog to play frisbee. I don't know. But yeah, I think it'd be fun. Just like, jump. Yeah. Okay, we got that.
Next thing, a brush for the dog.
Oh yeah, of course.
Works perfectly for my hair.
Yeah.
It looks, it's like pinkish purple, magenta, I don't know.
Yeah.
It's pretty cute, yeah. Next thing.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so we got a nail clipper, of course, because we want to clip the nail. We have to be careful because
If you clip it too far, it could bleed to death.
Yeah, it could bleed. So we'll have to do
bad.
research. Yeah.
It's bad if you clip their nails off all the way.
Yeah, because then it will bleed a lot. So we'll have to do research, and first we'll probably get it done first, and then we'll learn, and then we'll do it.
Thing, the pet bowl mat. It goes underneath the.
I probably won't use it to
It goes
be honest,
underneath.
but just in case.
Yeah.
But probably.
So then the dog doesn't spill or something.
Yeah, or it gets water everywhere. So we get a dog bone because it's for swelling, like if they have swelling, so it's good for that. So it's just a dog bone that you can chew on.
Next, some beef jerky bites.
Okay, so we did research on that, and it turns out those are bad for dogs, so I think we're going to get rid of those. But my sister did look, and it said it didn't have the bad ingredients for it, so we'll have to do research on that. Okay, the next thing was these. These are good for dogs. My cousin got these. And they're training, treats. When we train them, they're just soups, like natural dog treats.
Next thing, potty pad. I would assume you would put one in here just in case.
Yeah, that's what we're doing.
Are you going to get a bed in here?
Yeah,
Oh,
but we haven't gotten that yet.
Because we have one for our dog. Just a potty bags.
Okay, and the last thing is this cage that, of course, we have to get from it.
We're going to
And
obviously have to
we'll,
build it.
at the end, or not at the end,
Soon.
but soon we'll, after this clip thing, we're going to set this up in fast motion. So yeah.
So yeah.
So
Excited for that.
see you when we're
In the next
doing
clip.
this. Okay, thank you guys for watching.
Like and subscribe.
And comment and turn on my post
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 notifications.
notifications. Thank you guys for watching this video, and I'll have more like updates on
More videos coming.
for my puppy, and
It was fun doing
yes. And
the
Sydney
haul.
can probably come with me to get the dog if
Maybe.
you want.
Yeah.
And Sienna's coming too. if you're fine with that. So Sydney might coming and my cousin might be coming. So, but yeah, and thank you guys for watching. And I'll see you
Later.
later.
Bye.